Hey kids, today's video is about the Switch Pro's SP-9100. It is also about the SDHQ Power Panel. So here's the switch module, here's the power panel from SDHQ. If you have a Tacoma, I highly recommend getting this thing. It makes installation pretty effortless. Also have the SDHQ mounting plate for the module that goes under the hood. So sit back, relax, hit that like button, slap the subscribe button upside the head, and let's see what $700 looks like in a little tiny box. Really noisy. I don't know if you can hear that jet flying by out there or not. Right, so we got a switch panel. There we go. So real quick, this goes right there. That looks nice. And then this is the mounting plate that goes under your hood to mount everything that's in the Switch Pro's box. Alright, Lycus will do. Switch Pro's 9100, 8 switch programmable, blah blah blah. There's the little covers for the buttons. There's the buttons. And what do we got here? Here's the actual switch, the module itself. Alright, this goes into this, basically. And then all your lights and whatnot get plugged into this. That's your big gigantic power button. Man, that thing's got a little weight to it. I think the whole back of this thing is actually a heat sink. Okay, we got hardware. Love me some hardware. We got their mounting plate and big old wiring harness. This looks like it's the one that goes to the control unit. This, right, gets plugged in here, and then all your lights and whatnot just get wired into all these different lights, all these different wires rather. Oh, look. Oh, Marley's got a girlfriend. Yeah, you, girlfriend. And okay, so we got power, we got some sleeves, we got some of this corrugated cool stuff. Alright, so if you're wondering what $700 looks like, it'll fit on the back of your tailgate with lots of room left over. And then that comes, oh my goodness, now mounted through these holes here. Connector that will go through the back. The light look like